In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create a professional and beautiful-looking Shopify store using Gempages Landing Page Builder. So, let's not waste any time and get started. There are mainly 3 ways to design your store on Gempages, and I will show you all 3 methods. But before that, I am assuming that you've already signed up for Shopify. If you haven't done it yet, then make sure to create a Shopify account using the first link, which is given in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest deals and discounts of Shopify. Once you sign up for Shopify, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can see this checklist. You can simply follow the checklist to launch your store. We only need to use the Gempages page builder during store customization. And before that, I recommend that you add all of your products into your store. This will make the design process much easier. To add products, you only need to click on this Add Product button. Here, you need to enter your product titles, descriptions, and product images. So, I will enter my product title here. Next, I can use Shopify Magic AI to create my product description. Then under Media, I need to upload all the images of my products. And make sure to rearrange these images in the right order. Next, I will enter the pricing here. You can also add the manufacturing cost of your product here. Shopify will then easily track all margins that you'll gain on your product. Next, we need to add our inventory here. You can add your product weight here. And if you have different variants of your product, you can mention them in the variants section. Once all of this is done, simply click on this Save button to save your changes. And just like this, we've added our first product. Now, you can repeat the same steps to add more products to your store. Okay, we've added a lot of products to this store. The next step would be to customize the store design using the Gempages Page Builder. You can install the Gempages Page Builder directly using the second link, which is given in the video description. Alternatively, you can go to the search bar and then go to the Apps option. Then search for Gempages. Here, I'll click on Gempages. This will take me to the Shopify App Store, from where I can install this app on my store. I will simply click on this Install button here. Then again, I'll click on this Install button to fully install this app on my store. Alright, this is the Gempages dashboard. It may seem a bit intimidating in the beginning, but you'll get used to it very soon. First of all, we need to enable the Gempages editor in our store theme. To do that, click on this Turn On button. This will take us to the Shopify editor, where we need to make sure that this Gempages option is enabled. Then simply click on this Save button. Next, you'll see these 2 options here. First, I will show you how to create a page using this page builder. So, I will click on Create a New Page option. Next, you'll see some templates here. Gempages contain the most high-converting and user-friendly templates. These templates will save you a lot of time and will make the design process much easier. I will show you how to use these templates in a moment. But first, I want to show you how the Gempages editor actually works. So, I will go ahead with the blank template. First, I need to select a page type here. I'm going to design the home page of this store first. So, I'll select the home page option here. Next, I'll click on this Start from Scratch option. This will take us to the Gempages editor, where we can easily create the entire design of our store as per our requirements. On the left-hand side, you'll see these elements. These elements will help us create and structure our entire store. Next, we also have the sections here, which contain some pre-made sections, which we can directly use on our page. Next, we have this menu on the left. Here, we have the Global Styles option. Here, we can set the default colors and fonts of our store. We can also manage the typography and spacing using these options. Next, we have the Templates option. Here, you'll find hundreds of templates that you can directly import on your page, and then customize it as per your need. Next, we have the AI option. This will help us design our store using AI. You can clone any Shopify store using the Gempages AI. I will show you how to use this feature later on. For now, I will show you how to create your store using these elements. Editing on Gempages is very easy. You only need to drag these elements and drop it into this blank canvas. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see the customization options. Here, I can select the row layout. I can choose a 2-column layout, 3-column layout, or any other layouts depending upon my need. For now, I will go with the single column layout. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see other settings here. For example, I can go to the background option here, and then I can select a background color for this section. You can even choose a gradient background if you want to. Next, you can also set an image as your background. Simply click on the Upload Image option, and then choose the image that you want to show here, and the image will be added as the background. There are dozens of different settings here, so feel free to play around with these options to get used to it. You'll also get the advanced settings for each element. Let's say that I don't want to show this section on the desktop, so I can simply disable this desktop option. Next, let's say I want to add some animations here. To do that, I will enable this animation option and then select the animation I want to show here. Next, if you want to delete this section, you only need to click on this trash icon, and the section will be deleted from the page. Every element that you see here works the same way. You only need to drop them in the canvas and then make some changes from the Settings tab. Okay, now let's start customizing this page. First, I want to add a banner to this page. I will select this hero banner element for this. This is the default banner here, and we can make changes to it from the left settings. First, I can change the banner layout if I want to. Next, I can change the banner image from here. Next, we also have the heading and text blocks here. First, I will select the heading, and then I will change its color from the left menu. Next, I will select this entire text and replace it with something of my own. I will repeat the same process with the text block. I will change the color first, and then I will change the content as well. Next, we have the button here. We also have a lot of options to edit this as well. For now, I will simply enable this icon option here, and then choose an icon from this list. And the icon will be visible in the button. Next, let's say that I want to add more content in this banner. So I will go through the elements and find something to add on it. For example, this content list can be helpful. So I will simply drag and drop it right here below the text block. Next, I can highlight some special offers, discounts, or anything on this content element. And just like this, the first section of our page is complete. This is how you can edit your store using different elements. Let's add some more elements here and complete this page design. For example, we have this marquee here, which is generally used for displaying the ongoing offers and deals of your store. So I will simply put this below this banner. To show you how it works, I will simply go to the settings and then increase the speed. This is how this element actually works. If I enable this option, the marquee will stop whenever someone hover over it. Next, I want to show some of my products on this page. So I will select this product list option and drop it right below this section. And you can see that Gempages has already taken some of our products that we added recently. You can see that every product details are correctly displayed here. And if you want to show a different product here, then you only need to go to the left settings and then click on this Pick a Product option. And then you can simply select the products that you want to show here. For now, I mainly want to show some sneakers on this product list. Next, you can see that the heights of each column are different, which is not looking good at all. So I will scroll down here and then enable the same height option here. Now it is looking better. This is how you can create your store using these elements. There are hundreds of elements here, which will allow you to customize every single detail of your page. But as you can see, this process is time-consuming, and customizing every element manually is taking a lot of effort and brain power. To make the process easier, Gempages provide us some pre-made sections, which we can use to design our store much faster. So now I will show you how you can use the pre-made sections in your store. Simply go to Sections on the left, and here you'll see a lot of pre-made sections that you can use. Let's say that I want to add some trust badges here. So I will find a suitable section from this list and then drag and drop it into my page. Next, I only need to select and replace these dummy texts with my own content. First, I will change the title. Next, I will remove these paragraphs and these buttons as well. Next, I will again go to the sections on the left and check what sections will be a good fit for this page. I personally recommend you to use the social proofs, testimonials, and FAQ section on your homepage. These are very important sections and will help you build connections with your store visitors. For now, I will select the testimonial section, and then I will drop it between the product list and the trust badges section. And then I only need to replace the dummy details with my own content. To add more sections, you need to click on this plus button, and then click on Choose Template. Here, you'll find many more sections that were not available in the Section tab. You can select different categories from the left menu, and then see if there is any section that you can use in your store. For example, I want to add this section to my store. So I will simply click on Add to Page and the section will be added here. Next, I will select this demo image, and then from the left settings, I will upload my own image. I will again click on this Choose Template option, and this time, I want to add an FAQ section. This one is looking good, so I will select it and add it to this page. Editing this section is also a piece of cake. You only need to select the text and then replace it with your own content. Alright, I think this is enough for the home page. Now, before we publish this page, we need to make sure to preview the page on different devices. First, let's go to full screen mode. First, we have the banner here. Next, we have the ticker that contains the latest offers and deals. Next, we have the product list, followed by testimonials and trust badges. Lastly, we have product features and FAQ section. Overall, this is looking very good. Now let's preview this page in tablet mode. Here you can see that it is still showing the old banner. So, we need to change the banner once again. This is a common problem with Gempages Editor. So you need to make sure that all the images are updated on different devices. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see the product list is also unorganized here. To make changes to this product list, we need to select this entire section. So, I will go to the layer tree option on the left. Next, I will go to this third section and then select the product list element. Next, on the left settings, you'll see this Products per Row option. For the tablet mode, I will change it to 2 products per row. And you can see that the layout is updated for tablet mode. And just like this, you'll need to make little changes in mobile view as well. For example, you can see that the old banner image is still visible in the mobile view. I will quickly update this image with another image. And just like this, our store homepage design is now complete. Now let's go back to the desktop mode, and then click on this Publish button to save all these changes. And we need to make sure to check this box before publishing, as it will make this the default homepage of the store. Once the page is published, you can click on this View Live Page button to have a look at your page. This is our current store homepage. On the top, you can see the header. This is the default theme header. Next, we have our banner and the content. Next, you can see the offers going on here. Then we also have our featured products, followed by testimonials, trust badges, and other sections. And last but not least, we have the default store footer at the bottom. Overall, the homepage is looking just fine, considering that we only spent 30 minutes designing this page. Okay, now let's say that you don't want to show the header and footer on this page. To remove it, you only need to come back to the Gempages editor and then go to Settings here. From here, you can either enable or disable your store header. To show you an example, I will just disable the store footer for now, and then I'll click on Apply Changes. And now if you go back and refresh the page, you'll see that the footer is no longer available here. We can still improve this page even further, but I think you've already got the idea of how this page builder actually works. By the way, I actually forgot to tell you something. Right at the bottom of the Gempages editor, you will see this message asking you for the access of your store password. Since we are on a trial period of Shopify, our store is currently password protected. In such cases, we need to share our store password with Gempages so that the editor can work without any technical difficulty. To do that, you need to click on this Allow Access button. Next, to find your store password, click on this Shopify Store Preferences. This will take you to the store settings where you'll find your store password. You only need to copy this password and then paste it on Gempages, and then click on this Save and Reload button. This will give Gempages complete access to our store styles, which will eventually help you create a smooth Shopify page. Okay, now I will show you how you can create a page using a pre-made template. I'm going to design a product page using a pre-made template. To do that, I will click on this Create New Page option. Next, I will select the product page option here, which will only show me the product page templates. Next, I only need to preview these templates and choose the one that I like. When you click on this little eye icon, you'll be able to have a detailed preview of the template. Once you find a suitable template, you can click on this Select Template button. This will take you to the Gempages editor where you'll have the entire template, and you can customize it however you want to. And you can see that Gempages has also inserted one of my own products here in this template. And now, I only need to add my own content on this page. But before that, I want to remove all the unnecessary elements from this page. So I will simply select these sections and then click on the trash icon. And I'll repeat this with some other sections as well. Personally, I don't like to add too many things in my product page. Simple product pages tend to convert better. We only need to put the right product information and enough social proof on the product page. Okay, I've deleted all the unnecessary elements. So it's time to customize the product page. First of all, I want to change this main product. So I will simply click on the product image, and then from the left settings, I will pick a different product. I will pick this sneaker, for example. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see this product list here. I will simply select these products one by one, and then from the left settings, I'll choose a different product here too. Next, I want to add some testimonials as social proof in this page. So I will click on this plus icon and then click on Choose Template. This will show me all the pre-made sections that I can use on this page. For now, I am looking for testimonials, so I will click on Testimonials on the left. Now, we have all the different testimonial sections here. I will select this one for my page. And once it's imported, I only need to add some real customer reviews here to build trust with my audience. You can add more sections here, but I personally like to keep the product page as simple as possible. Now, before publishing this page, it's important to assign this template to every product page that we have. So I will click here, and then I will click on Apply to All Products option and confirm. Also make sure to check this box so that this template will set as the default product page. And then when you publish this page, the template will be assigned to every single product that you have on your store. All right, now I will show you how you can copy any e-commerce store design using Gempages AI. This cloning feature is only available on Gempages only, and no other page builder are providing this feature right now. For the sake of this video, we are going to copy this store design. As you can see, this store design is eye-catching and contains a lot of structures which are looking really amazing. The design may look simple at first glance, but if you try to create these types of pages using a page builder, you'll realize how much time-consuming it is to replicate these types of design manually. But with the help of Gempages, we can replicate this entire homepage in less than 3 minutes. To do that, we need to go back to our dashboard. Next, go to Create a New Page option, and then click on Start from Scratch. On your Gempages editor, click on Start with AI option here. Next, we only need to copy the store URL and then paste it into this section, and then click on Generate. Now, Gempages will take a couple of minutes to proceed. First, it will capture an image from the URL. Next, it will detect all the sections of the image. Then it will split images into different sections. And just like this, Gempages AI will clone the website we gave it. As you can see, it hardly took 40 seconds to clone this entire website. On the right-hand side, you can see all the sections. If you want to remove a specific section, you can simply untick the box and it will be removed. For now, we will click on this Generate button to create our website. And as you can see, every single section from that website is now copied by Gempages. Now we can simply edit these sections and replace all the content and images with our own. Every part of this website is editable. You can add your own content here, you can replace these images with your own banners, and you can add or delete sections from this page as well. And when you preview it on a tablet or mobile device, you'll see that it is perfectly optimized for all types of devices. This is my most favorite feature of Gempages Page Builder. But make sure to replace all these images that are showing in this page. Gempages has already copied all the images. And if you don't remove or replace it, you might face copyright issues in the future. So make sure to replace these images and text with your own content. Also, please note that this feature is still in its development phase, and it is still not capable to copy every type of Shopify store. Take a look at Mr. Beast website, for example. This is a website that was launched by Mr. Beast, and you can see how professional and engaging this website is looking right now. But if you try to copy this with Gempages, you'll see a result like this. You can see clearly that Gempages AI isn't able to create these types of websites. That's the only limitation of this tool. Other than that, it is a wonderful feature. Take a look at this website, for example. As you can see, this store design is eye-catching and contains a lot of structures which are not possible to create within Shopify. And even when you are using a page builder, it is hard to replicate these types of design manually. Even a professional designer will take at least 3 to 4 hours to clone these types of websites. But with the help of Gempages, you can replicate this entire homepage in less than 3 minutes. These are the most amazing features of Gempages Page Builder that will help you create a high-converting Shopify store with minimum efforts. Gempages has recently introduced another cool feature. With the latest update, you can now convert your Shopify store into a complete sales funnel. To create a sales funnel using Gempages, simply go to the sales funnel option on the left. Next, click on this Join Waitlist option. Next, you'll see the options to create your funnel. Since this is the latest update, Gempages team is also offering this feature for absolutely free. You can simply book a call with their team, and they'll create the entire funnel for you for absolutely free of cost. Now, if you aren't seeing this option in your dashboard, then you can simply follow along with me, and I will show you how to create a sales funnel using Gempages. First of all, click on this Create a New Funnel option. Here, you'll see two options. You can either create a post-purchase upsell funnel or a complete sales funnel from the very beginning. If you want to create a complete funnel, then I recommend that you book a call with the Gempages team, as this is some advanced stuff, and getting support from Gempages will be really beneficial for you. For now, I will create a post-purchase funnel, which can help you boost your store revenue and average order value. Then I will click on this Next button. Here, we need to select a trigger for our funnel. You can set the funnel for every product, or you can set it only for some specific products. For now, I will set it for all of our products, and then I'll click on this Next button. Okay, now we have two options here. We can either promote a single product as an upsell, or we can choose multiple products too. You can also start from scratch if you want to, but for now, I will go ahead with a single product upsell. You can also preview the funnel by clicking on this little eye icon. This is the upsell funnel that we have. You see, once a customer buys something from your store, they'll be taken to this page. Since they've already bought a product, we're not at risk. So we are only suggesting them to buy another one of our products as an upsell. If the customer decides to buy the upsell product, then it means you've got extra sales from the same customer. So I will simply select this funnel template from here. This will take you to this page. Here, you only need to click on Add Product button and then select the product that you want to promote as an upsell. For now, I will simply select any product from the list. Next, you can preview this page by clicking on this little eye icon. As you can see, the preview is not bad, but it is still showing all the dummy content. So, I need to replace it with my own content. So, I will simply click here, which will take me to the Gempages editor. And just like we edited the previous pages, we can edit this page as well. We only need to delete the dummy content from this page and add our own product information here. So first of all, I will change this countdown timer here. I will set it to 2 minutes. Next, I will select this callout text here and then add some discount percentage here. Next, I also don't want this features and benefits section, so I will simply delete this from the page. Next, we have testimonials. Testimonials and reviews are great for building trust, so I will keep them in the page. You can add more elements in this page if you want to, but I like to keep it as simple as possible. Not to mention the pre-made templates that you can use to design these pages. Right now, we don't have many templates, but you'll see more templates here very soon. Okay, once the page design is complete, click here to save all your changes. Next, I will go back to the Gempages dashboard. Here, I will add a second upsell offer. So, whenever the customer will accept the first upsell, they'll be taken to the second upsell offer. And then I will also add a downsell product here. So, if the customer decides to decline our first offer, they'll be taken to this downsell offer. Next, we also have the A/B testing option, which will allow us to experiment with multiple products. And with this step, our upsell funnel is complete. After these upsell pages, the customer will be taken to the thank you page. Bus. The upsell funnel will trigger right after the customer goes through the checkout page. Normally, Shopify redirect the customer to the thank you page from the checkout. But in our sales funnel, customers will be taken to the first upsell offer. If they accept the offer, they'll get the second upsell offer. And if they decline the first upsell, they'll be taken to the downsell page. And after that, they'll finally take into the thank you page. To preview this funnel, you only need to click on this preview button here. This will give you a clear idea about your customer's journey. Upsells are a great way to boost your average order value. Since the customer has already purchased something from the store, they'll be least resistant to the upsell offer, which will help us get more sales. Of course, we recommend that you provide some hefty discounts on your upsells if possible. Also, make sure to promote the products that resonate with the core product. For example, if the customer bought fitness gear from your store, try promoting a resistance band or a skipping rope as an upsell offer. These are complementary products and will easily sell out along with the core product. Alright, once the funnel setup is complete, you only need to click on this Activate button and confirm. Next, click on this Go to Shopify Settings option. This will take you to the checkout settings. Here, you need to make sure that the post-purchase app is set to Gempages, and then hit the Save button. This will ensure that the sales funnel works properly on your store. That's basically everything you need to learn about Gempages Page Builder. Feel free to play around with all the Gempages settings and customization options, and you'll get used to this tool in no time. Okay, now let's talk about the Gempages pricing plans. Gempages offers a free plan, which will let you publish only one page on your store. The free plan is suitable for those who are running a one-product Shopify store. And you'll also get the sales funnel feature with some limitations, not to mention the AI cloning feature and 24/7 live chat and email support. Then we also have 3 paid plans as well. The second plan is perfect for online retails and dropshippers. This is also the most popular and most recommended plan of Gempages. Last 2 plans are for businesses that are already well established and planning to scale their brand even further. This app has over 4,000 reviews on Shopify App Store with an average rating of 4.8, which ensures that this app is worth the money. If you are planning to try the Gempages Page Builder, then make sure to use the link which is given in the description. Those are affiliate links which also contain the latest offers and discounts, so feel free to use them. And if you have any questions regarding this page builder, feel free to ask us in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.